Good morning, students. Sairam. Continuing with hyperlink, today we shall see how files are linked when they are placed in the same folder. Let us start with the basic tags. The title of the program is hyperlink example. The paragraph tag, right? Choose the link to go to respective pages. In this page, we will create 3 links, one for Balniketan, second one for Sri Mahavidyalaya, and third one for Bhagirathi Vidyalaya. Start with ahref is equal to, for Sri Mahabalniketan, we will create a file smbn.html and the link name as smbn. For Sri Mahavidyalaya, we will create the file name as smv.html and the link name as smv. And the third link, Bhagirathi Vidyalaya, will create the name of the file as bv.html and the link name as bv. Close the body tag and the HTML tag, save the file and refresh the browser. You will observe 3 links are created here: SMBN, SMV and BV. If you click on SMBN, it is searching for that particular file. Now we will create smbn.html. Click on file, save as smbn.html, click on save. Now for smbn.html, p space align is equal to center, font space color is equal to blue, comma size is equal to 6, close the tag, write it as Sri Mahabalniketan. So when you click on SMBN, it is linked to this particular file, that is smbn.html. Now save the file refresh the browser. If you click, it is going to that particular file, that is smbn.html. Similarly, we will create smv.html and bv.html. File, save as smv.html. Change the font color to red and the name to Sri Mahavidyalaya. Save the file. Click on SMV. It is taking you to smv.html page. Now we will create for Bhagirathi Vidyalaya also. Click on save as bv.html. Change the color to green. Change the name of the file to Bhagirathi Vidyalaya. Save the file. Click on the link BV. It takes to Bhagirathi Vidyalaya page. So if you see here, from Sri Maa Bal Niketan High School, if you want to go to home page, we are clicking on the back page. Similarly for Sri Maa Vidyalaya page and Bhagirathi Vidyalaya page. So what we will do, we will create a link in each and every pages so that when you click on the link, it takes you to the home page. How to create that? Now open, right now we are in Bhagirathi Vidyalaya page. So write ahref is equal to, the name of the home page is home.html and the link name we can give it as home and close the anchor tag. Now save the file. If you click on BV page, it is going to take you to Bhagirathi Vidyalaya page. From there, click on home page. It is linked to home.html. Now copy this particular line. Open Sri Maa Bal Niketan page. That is smbn.html. Paste it here. Now save it. Click on SMBN. Similarly, do it for smv.html. Click on SMBN, it is taking to Sri Maa Bal Niketan page. Click on home, it is taking to the home page. Similarly, SMV and for Bhagirathi Vidyalaya also. So children, I hope by now you must have understood how to create links between files which are placed in a folder. Thank you.